Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
Hello everyone, it's me Ashvircreations from ashvircreations. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can edit your photos just like Toni Mahfud. He is a very famous Instagram model from Germany. We really appreciate his photos and his photo editing. Every photos are very unique style and we really appreciate and respect his work. So before getting to the video, just press the like button on this video so that it will motivate me to make more videos like this for you guys. And if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I post new video. And if you still haven't logged on to our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com, then go and just check it out. From there you can find new backgrounds, camera preset, lightroom preset and every kind of photo editing stuff for free. So go and check it out, that website. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram for latest updates, and you can contact me on Instagram. We can chat over there. Let's jump to the Photoshop. Open the Photoshop and open the image which you want to get edited. So let's select the image by using the quick selection tool and just click on the plus icon and just roll all over the subject's body to make it selected in a perfect position or the perfect manner. You can just select the minus icon to deselect any portion if it is mistaken or selected. You can just select it by using the pen tool also. Here I have already selected the image, so I will just show you a very quick step. Just right click on it and select leave a copy option to make the duplication of the selection, or you can press directly Ctrl J from the keyboard to make a duplication. Here you can see we have already created a layer of the subject in a proper way. Now let's open the background which we want to add in this photograph. So just go to the file and click on open and just open this Toni Mahfud inspired background which we have recently downloaded. Just drag it and drop over here to make it selected or adjust. All you have to do is just drag and just keep it somewhere over here. Press Ctrl D from the keyboard to enlarge the image. Now we will adjust the position of the image. So let's just image. If you want to exactly edit like Toni Mahfud, then all you have to do is just open the reference image and just go to the window and arrange that both the image in a horizontal way or the vertical way. Now you can just exactly edit the transformation or the perspective of the image so that everything is edited in a perfect way. You can adjust it as well. Now all you have to do is just press Ctrl from the keyboard and just press the crop tool, or C from the keyboard to crop that much area from the image for your final image. So here we have almost completed our retouching. Now all you're gonna do is just to go to the window and consolidate all two tabs. Now all you need to do is just to make the hairs of the subject. So let's select the smudge tool and just make the hairs of the subject so that it will look very original and natural. So just move it, stretch it in the upward position, just like this way, so that you can create the hairs of the subject. So finally we have almost completed our process of making your hairs. Now we will blacken the hair using the burn tool. So select burn tool from the toolbox and just make it more darker on the edge of the subject, so that it will look, originalism little bit of, and make it will look more realistic. So let's press Ctrl L from the keyboard and just move the slider from left to right to enhance the image. And let's see how it actually looking. So we'll just go to the, let's create new layer, right click on it and select brush tool and increase the size of the brush, and just pick the black color and just paint it over somewhere over here to make it more dark and black. Just decrease the opacity. So you can see the before and after effect. A huge difference can be seen over there. Now all you're gonna do is just merge both the layers. Now let's go to the filter, go to the color lookup, and let's select any of the LUTs file from here. Let's select this LUT file. All you're gonna do is just decrease the opacity, and let's create more shadows over here. So let's create a new layer and just make the opacity to 100% and just make it more darker on this region. Change the blending mode to multiply and decrease the saturation, or let's just keep it normal. And here you can create new layer and just make it more darker. Change the blending mode to multiply, or let's just make it normal. So now it is, looking like it is merged with the background. Or if you want to still cut out that image, then you can just remove that leg portion. Now let's just crop the image, because here the half boots are cut out, so we will just cut it down and just decrease the opacity more. First of all, we will just merge all the layers. Right click on it and select merge layers. Make the opacity to 50%. Now I'll go to the hue and saturation and just make the skin color. Just reduce the lightness so that you can achieve the skin tone or just like Toni Mahfud. So here you can see the before and after. A huge difference can be seen on the face. And let's just make the blue color. Now it is looking way more natural. Let's create a new layer and just create a clipping mask and select the brush tool and just make it somewhere over here. Now it is looking way more natural and realistic. Again, let's create new layer and also do the same thing over here to create shadows over here. So here you can see we have created a very perfect shadow. Press Ctrl U, make it colorize. Now it is looking very more natural and realistic. Now all you're gonna do is just merge all the layers from here, right click on it and select merge layers. So finally here we have edited image just like Toni Mahfud. Here you can see the before and after effect. It is really looking very much realistic and exactly like Toni Mahfud. Here you can see his image and here it is our image. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed then just press the like button on this video so that it will motivate me to make more videos like this for you guys. And if you still haven't subscribed to our channel then do subscribe and just press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I post new video. And log on to our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can find new backgrounds, camera preset, lightroom preset and every kind of photo editing stock for free. So go and check it out that website. Well, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video.